This video is brought to you by Answerly, a question platform that pays you for adding high-quality answers on different questions. The users are rewarded in Answerly tokens, which they can easily convert into dollars or any other cryptocurrency by using one of the exchanges mentioned in the description. Has someone caught your eyes lately? Do you get insomnia thinking about that person all night and spend the whole day daydreaming about your first date? You probably can't focus at school or work because that person keeps on popping up in your mind. The problem is, you're not sure if all these distractions are worth it since that person may not feel the same towards you. What would you do? Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the 10 tricks to make girls notice you. Falling for someone can cause you headaches, not just heartaches, especially if your crush doesn't even know you exist. You feel butterflies in your stomach whenever your paths cross, but she doesn't even throw you a single glance. So frustrating and disheartening, right? Instead of waiting for nothing, why not try to find out if there could be a chance for your crush to like you? Maybe you could help her a bit to notice you. Here are 10 tricks to make girls notice you. 1. Have your own life. To be truly attractive, you need to have your own life by working on yourself. When you're trying to get in a relationship or make a girl like you and you have a boring life, this is literally what you're doing. You're making the packaging look great, but in reality, you have no life. Imagine having such an amazing life and doing awesome things that you say, "Hey girl, I really like you and enjoy having you around. Want to stick around?" And that's all it takes. Make your own personal life interesting and girls will notice you. Before we move on to the next tricks, like this video, smash the subscribe button, and click the notification bell right now. Or else, girls will never notice you like you're an invisible person, so do it! 2. Smell irresistible. You don't have to look like Zac Efron or Elle Fanning to be attractive. Your scent can play a big role in capturing the attention of your crush. Wear your favorite perfume or cologne so you will smell fresh and clean. However, make sure that your cologne or perfume scent is not too strong because it can annoy the people around you, including the person you like. 3. Always wear a smile. In this world full of stress and pressures, a bright disposition can be an attractive asset. People are drawn to those who have a positive outlook in life despite negative circumstances, and the best way to show that it's through a constant smile. Whenever you are down and then someone smiles at you, you feel better, right? And you get that grateful feeling towards that person. So who knows? Smiling at your crush might actually help her develop that friendly feeling for you. That's a good start. 4. Excel at something to impress. Physical attractiveness is not everything. There should be something more about you than meets the eye. Therefore, find out what you're good at and strive to excel at it. This will make a good impression of how interesting you are as a person. For instance, if you're good at painting, why not join or have your own exhibit? Or if you play instruments, you can be part of a band or perform in events. You can also attend workshops that can help you enhance your talents or skills. This way, girls will notice you. 5. Be friends with her. Friendship is the best foundation for a good relationship. Therefore, if you wish to end up with your crush, do yourself a favor by making friends with that person. This will not only help you get noticed, but you'll also have a good chance of knowing her in a better way. To be friends with your crush, you should have the guts to say hello, offer some help if needed, or be part of the same group or organization. Act naturally as much as possible to avoid being obvious. 6. Do your best at whatever interests you. If you show passion for whatever you are involved in, chances are you'll be catching more than a few female glances. Being passionate and good at something is attractive. It shows that you care about something other than yourself. You're a hard worker and you're passionate. It also shows that you have ambition. You don't just want to be involved in something, you want to be the very best you can be. If you're on a sports team, work hard to be the star or team captain. If you're on debate club, give it your all to lead the debates. If you're in a photography or art class, don't be afraid to show off your artistic side and skill. Don't hide what it is that you like. If you're happy, confident, and enthusiastic, people will start to get interested in what you're interested in. Don't act like you hate what you actually like. Just play it off like it's not a big deal and sell the really fun parts of what it is that you like. 7. Show sincere concern and interest in the person. If you want your crush to be interested in you, you need to show that you have genuine care for her as well. When she talks, listen intently and give appropriate reactions. Asking questions about what she talks about gives the impression that you are really interested. When talking to each other, put your cell phone in your bag or pocket to avoid distraction. Ensure your eyes do not wander around but maintain eye contact with him or her for undivided attention. 8. Respect all girls equally. You stand a much better chance of making a good overall impression if you treat girls that don't interest you just as nicely as those that do. This doesn't mean that you need to talk to or flirt with every girl, but don't ignore them or treat them dismissively. You never know when a girl is going to suddenly get attractive or who she'll become friends with. The best bet is to treat them all the way you would want to be treated. Don't talk to a girl about another girl's attractiveness. It's distasteful and can degrade the girl's opinion of herself. Plus, it's just easy to accidentally say the wrong thing or say something you didn't mean. Stick to talking about other girls with your guy friends. You generally shouldn't talk about past relationships you've had or other girls that potentially interest you with the girl you're most interested in. No girl wants to have to compare herself to your past relationships, and she really doesn't want you to compare her to them either. Make her feel like she's the only girl in your universe, and the universe will smile kindly on you. 9. Play mysterious. Don't throw yourself at her feet. Don't share anything about yourself unless she asks you to. Divulging everything about you will remove the thrill of getting to know a stage, and she might think you're too eager to disclose yourself to her. Also, avoid posting too personal thoughts and feelings on social media. Your crush and everyone else would think your life is an open book. And the last one is 10. Be funny without being rude. Everyone loves to laugh. Getting a girl to laugh can be a big part of getting and keeping her attention and winning her over. This doesn't mean that you need to transform yourself into a Jim Carrey-like comedian, but it does mean that you need to figure out what kind of humor you're best at. It's good to remember that you don't have to be funny every second, but throwing some humor into a conversation is often a great way to get a girl interested in you. No matter what sort of humor you're using, it's never good to wait for the girl to laugh. Quick, witty humor that only pauses for an instant is the way to go. If she thinks it's funny, she'll laugh. But don't expect her to openly guffaw at your jokes and never say something like, "Oh, you didn't think that was funny," if she doesn't laugh. That will just cause a serious amount of awkwardness to ensue. So, those are the 10 tricks to make a girl notice you. If you start putting these tips into action as of right now, this girl will fall hard for you in no time. And remember to work on your image first to get her noticing you. And then once you're on her radar, you'll be ready to unleash these tips to make her like you. So, what do you think? Can you do it? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section down below. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. To learn more about Answerly and Answerly tokens, check out the links in the description.